Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Ama-report aphumayo ukuthi uCross ngathi u-injured bafethu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Sikhumbule ukuthi omunye olimele uMarco is out, akekho laphana for i-selection. So lokhu kushiya isikhala for uShinga ukuthi abe available, possibly aqale igame noma adlale igame yakhe yokuqala laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But-ke ku-debatable because i-Kaizer Chiefs kubonakala ngathi akakamthembi uShinga. U-Eden McCarthy sibonile laphana uCross ukulimala kwakhe eqale kule game le against iCabo Scope le yase-Angola, but-ke ba-replace ngobani? UMcCarthy. Kusho ukuthi uShinga abakamthembi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I don't know why, because uShinga like kulokhu njana ku-pre-season udlale kahle kakhulu. Angibonanga i-weakness eyinkinga kakhulu bafethu ukuthi uShinga akalazi ibhola, but u-Kaizer Chiefs ama-coach adecidayo, adictate-ayo ukuthi ubani odlalayo ubani ongadlali. I mean, once again idrama laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs before a-big match. Siyazi ukuthi bazodlala ne-Stellenbosch, angeke kube lula. It's not gonna be an easy game. La bese kubonakala ngathi i-squad se-Kaizer Chiefs iba more stable, but-ke uCross njengoba naye aphusha kanzima laphana ukuthi asebenze kanzima ukuthi kube isikhala sakhe, kube ispace sakhe laphana ku-left back, but manje kuvela ukuthi u-injured. But siyiphoze nje la kancane, uCross uyisotsha, uyiwore. Ngenzeka bathi uCross u-injured but umbone laphana ebhenchini, because I remember a few weeks back walimala uCross, but guess what, wakwazi ukuba laphana ukuqala ebhenchini because babengafuni ukumriska, but why sambona laphana ebhenchini uCross elimele. Kusho ukuthi if akusi-injured serious singambona yet again, but-ke uthintekile yena. Let's hope akusi-long injury or injury like ezoma-affecta isikhathi, maybe uzokwazi ukuba available, but-ke sobona. But-ke njengoba athintekile uCross kuvuleka isikhala sokuthi uShinga simbone laphana edlala overall. Imagine ama-left back awu-2 ku-Kaizer Chiefs if they are out, but-ke still uShinga akadlali, badlalisa uMcCarthy kulela side lela. Well, that's a problem. Why? Because kuyabonakala ngempela ukuthi abamthembi. Lena-ke bafethu i-culling knockout, i-round of 16 against iStellenbosch njengoba bengishilo. Umbuzo omkhulu ukuthi uShinga uzokwazi ukudlala noma ukuqala igame laphana, because sokunesikhathi elindile ngempela. I-technical team izo-avoida i-risky and then badlalise futhi uMcCarthy ukuthi babe more safe, perhaps ukuthi mhlampe i-choice yabo, but-ke asingene kuyo bafethu, singayikhi phezulu laphana. U-Crossover injury update yakhe, well, imosha ama-plans we-Kaizer Chiefs overall, because I mean naye ulwela i-game time laphana. Uyabonisa futhi awudlali kahle kakhulu bafethu kuwo wonke amagame awadlalile manje uCross laphana. Uyazibonakalisa ngempela ukuthi uyalwa for i-Kaizer Chiefs, uyafuna ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs imrecognize, nanokuthi-ke abe i-starter laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But inkinga kaCross laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs yini bafethu? Ukuthi akusuwo umdlali mhlampe ongamthemba in terms of ukuya phambili. uMarco into abanika yona laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi makaya phambili uya nge-pace, u-creative, uyakwazi ukushaya lawo ma-cross, une-flair, une-skill. That is what is needed kuma-modern left backs, ukuthi ube i-wing back, ukwazi noku-attack-a, ube creative going forward. uCross ipower yakhe or i-strength sakhe ukuthi a-defende isikhathi esiningi. Is a good pass off the ball. Akhona ama-qualities amanye esingawabheka laphana kuye, but overall like ukuya phambili, especially mabazodlala ne-team thola ukuthi bazo-attack isikhathi esiningi, akanayo leyo firepower, but-ke amanye ama-player anayo. uShinga unayo-ke lento le kaMarco ukuthi angakwazi ukucontribute ku-Kaizer Chiefs when they are going laphana forward, but-ke i-race against time ukuthi-ke uCross uzokwazi ukuthi abe available. I mean technically i-absence yakhe vele they will be missing him, because uCross uletha i-height laphana ne-aggression ne-composure on the ball, akatatazeli kakhulu kumele ibambile ibhola. For manje i-Kaizer Chiefs kusho ukuthi izoba ne-void laphana, kuzoba nesikhala ku-knockout competition. Imagine they cannot afford ukuthi bathathe ama-chance or bayiluze igame. uMayo njengoba bengishilo ukuthi still out bafethu, kumele ukuthi a-recover kula situation yakhe. Imagine uMayo, but angizoyenza i-clip eseceleni ngoMayo. So i-Kaizer Chiefs they are left with what? With ilokhunjana uShinga, i-option eyodwa nje ukuthi uShinga bamdlalise, whether bayathanda abathandi, but bane-option again ukuthi uMcCarthy bamdlalise laphana ku-left back, because uMcCarthy uyakwazi ukuya ku-left back. Yes, uMcCarthy might not give them that flexibility going forward, but-ke uzokwazi ukwenza i-left back ibe solid. Sikhumbule ukuthi iside abadlala nalo iStellenbosch bafethu, i-team lena strong, powerful, ekwaziyo ngempela ukukhosa engakhosa ama-problems for i-Kaizer Chiefs. But again, we can also say that i-Kaizer Chiefs iyakwazi ukushaya i-Stellenbosch. Umbuzo omkhulu-ke nawo bafowethu ukuthi uShinga u-ready noma akekho ready na uku-step up whenever is given an opportunity to play, because uShinga u-fit, u-available, i-natural left back but elithanda ukuya phambili because sayibona i-game model yakhe mekudlala laphana Asante le eGhana. Well, mabangakwazi ukumnika i-moment ukuthi adlale, nawo ama-talking points, maybe ucoach mabangamnika i-moment ukuthi adlale, maybe ucoach uzobona ukuthi okay bayamdinga uShinga for leya game. But-ke okunye njengoba bengibuzile ukuthi u-ready na ukudlala nanokuthi o-coach bayamthemba na, because uShinga siyazi ukuthi una-20 something, highly rated laphana, ulethwe from ibhola lasePortugal, Kaizer Chiefs, because banesitayela sokuthi bona manje bafuna ama-player wase-Europe, whether ama-South African players, but-ke ama-players are properly developed. So uShinga uyalithikha lelo box lelo le-Kaizer Chiefs. Uzokwazi ukuhandle i-pressure yokudlala ku-local football. Well, I mean singabuza ukubuza kuze kube kusasa, but-ke kumele bamnike i-chance ukuthi adlale sibone ukuthi uzokwazi ukuhandlela na. I mean i-strength sakhe ne-pace, defensive discipline, uShinga mina mangimbukele, because ngambukela for some time, i-advantage yakhe i-pace, u-comfortable on the ball, une-energy, 90 minutes une-energy, will give you, 110% of his energy ukuya le. But I think la engibona khona ukuthi uShinga angalungisa khona ukuthi abe aggressive in terms of i-defense. Ngimbona noma ngambona bambitha kalula in terms of kuma one-on-one situations, but I think i-weakness yakhe enye ukuthi akanayo i-experience, usase-inexperience obviously ebholeni lase-South Africa, ne-aggression yakhona, maybe ku-decision making yakhe under pressure. Isikhathi esiningi they catch him under ilokhunjana, exposed laphana, out of position, because uyathanda ukuya phambili, but-ke tracking back kuba inkinga laphana. So ama-fans-ke obvious amaningi bafethu, they're calling for him to be given a chance to play, while obviously-ke kune-fear yokuthi mhlampe i-Stellenbosch singakwazi uku-exploit-a leso sikhala leso uShinga if uzoba khona, bazomlinda ukuthi iya phambili, and then-ke bayakwazi ukumcatch-a laphana nge-counter e-fast. So I mean maybe i-safe option for i-Kaizer Chiefs uMcCarthy. uMcCarthy bafethu, Eden McCarthy akusiyi natural left back, but-ke udlala laphana emuva, because udlala ku-central but ku-left hand side of i-central laphana ku-defensive. I think because i-technical team imjwayele laphana, seyazi ukuthi uyakwazi ukudeliver, usolid ku-defense, udiscipline, physically futhi u-strong, akahali mhlawumbe ukuthi uya laphana phambili kakhulu, kodwa umdlali lona ongakwazi ngempela uku-make sure ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs is-strong, solid at the back. But ukumdlalisa laphana eceleni kuyamlimitha in terms of futhi kulimitha nane-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bangabi nama-attacking options amaningi kuya phambili yabo. So aka-overlapi njengabanye abadlala i-left back laphana yena. Mhlampe uzokwenza u-Kaizer Chiefs be-predictable going forward, ukuthi iside laka-left ngeke libe too effective, because if uMcCarthy khona angeke ba-attack-e kakhulu ngama-left back yabo. So I mean if ulo uShinga akadlali, kusho ukuthi bamthembi u-Kaizer Chiefs. If ngempela uCross ngeke a-recover in time, igame yakusasa ifike engaka-recover angadlali, kuzobonakala straight ukuthi abamthembi, nanokuthi mhlawumbe akekho ready ukuthi adlale. I-Stellenbosch siyazi ukuthi bafethu ngeke kube i-easy game, ba-compact, ba-well organized, ba-strong futhi kuma-counter, bakhosela i-Kaizer Chiefs ama-problems bafethu ku-first game. Siyazi ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs iwinile, sabona ukuthi uPeterson ashaya ama-crucial saves, Stellenbosch sashaya nepali, but-ke they would go into the game knowing that bajwayele ukushaya i-Stellenbosch, maybe confidence izophuma from lapho overall. Mhlampe-ke bazothi ngeke ba-risk ngoShinga ngoba i-Stellenbosch sizomthesta kakhulu uShinga ngama-counter. But either way man, i-Stellenbosch sokwazi kahle ukuthi i-left back i-Kaizer Chiefs kune-crisis, because laba abajwayele ukudlala i-left back abekho. But-ke choice at the end of the day ama-coaches ukuthi abe bold if a-choose uShinga or a-decide ukuba safe ba-choose-e uMcCarthy, umuntu osedlalile futhi against iStellenbosch, wathola i-man of the match against iStellies. Ama-expectations ne-pressure bafethu ku-coach. O-coach-ke siyazi ukuthi for some time bahleli laphana esikhundleni sakanabi, unabo ney'nkinga ne-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Ama-fans-ke a-expect-e ukuthi labo coach abawu-2 ba-deliver because they're able to create opportunities but they don't bury those opportunities. Ama-results-ke abaluleke kakhulu bafethu ku-cup game. They need to win. They have no excuse. They need to win. That's it. So asiyivaleni lana bafethu. So uMako, why ngilo ngithi uMayo? uMako usase-out ngoba u-injured. Cross naye too injured. If aka-recover in time before igame, uShinga uye ozobe elindile laphana. But-ke i-safe option njengoba bengishilo uMcCarthy ukhona. I-decision for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi kumele bayenze ukuthi bazo-choose abani. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Making sure ukuthi le page lifika ku 15,000 subscribers.